Yeah, it just seems that every time we're set to go, something happens with Ozzy's health, and so we'll get there. We want to go back so bad, but we'll get there.
What happens when one of the most intense voices in rock abruptly fades into silence? Ozzy Osbourne, also known as the Prince of Darkness, once dominated the heavy metal world with his wild energy and legendary music and was always supported by his unwavering wife, Sharon, by his side. But at present, the stage has fallen silent, the spark is dimming, and Sharon clings to a love that's gradually evaporating. This isn't just the end of an era in music, it's the heartbreaking farewell no one was prepared for. Stick with us until the end of this video, because the full story is about to be revealed. But before we embark, join a growing community of curious minds, subscribe to All Profiles, and be part of the journey. Ozzy Osbourne has been one of the biggest stars in the rock and roll world for over 50 years, mesmerizing millions with his electrifying performances, bold stage antics, and deeply emotional moments. From his groundbreaking beginnings with Black Sabbath to his legendary solo career, Ozzy has cemented his status as a musical icon and a lasting source of inspiration for future generations of artists. Nevertheless, behind the glamour of fame lies a series of quiet personal battles that only those closest to him know, struggles with addiction, severe injuries, and brushes with death. Despite these challenges, Ozzy has persevered, leaving an undeniable legacy in the rock music scene. His wife, Sharon Osbourne, has been a steadfast pillar of support throughout his journey. Sharon Osbourne, born Sharon Rachel Levy, first met her future husband, Ozzy Osbourne, the lead vocalist of Black Sabbath, at the age of 18 while working for her father, Don Arden, originally Harry Levy, who was managing the band at the time. Sharon played a pivotal role in reviving his career, encouraging him to pursue a solo path that led to the release of his hit single Crazy Train. The couple married on July 4, 1982, in Hawaii, and their union has been marked by both challenges and triumphs. Despite facing difficulties, including Ozzy's struggles with addiction and health issues, Sharon and Ozzy have remained committed to each other, celebrating over 4 decades of marriage. Together, Sharon and Ozzy have 3 children, Amy, Kelly, and Jack Osbourne. Amy, born in 1983, has chosen to lead a more private life, distancing herself from the family's reality TV fame. Kelly, born in 1984, and Jack, born in 1985, embraced the spotlight alongside their parents in the MTV reality show, The Osbournes, which aired from 2002 to 2005. The show provided an intimate look into the family's daily life and catapulted them to international fame. Kelly and Jack have since pursued careers in entertainment, with Kelly becoming a television personality and singer, and Jack focusing on media production and hosting. Sharon has often spoken about her pride in her children and their accomplishments. More notably, Sharon Osbourne is a cancer survivor and has been open about her health struggles, inspiring many with her candidness and strength. Sharon's autobiography, Extreme, became a bestseller, offering readers an insight into her life and experiences. Now, nevertheless, Ozzy Osbourne, her husband, faces a challenge unlike any he has encountered before, one that even the unyielding spirit of a rock legend cannot overcome. His health took a devastating turn with the diagnosis of Parkinson's disease, a progressive disorder that significantly impacts the nervous system, affecting movement, muscle control, and balance. When the news first emerged, fans were heartbroken, grappling with the harsh reality that their hero was fighting an invisible, relentless adversary. The heartbreak deepened when Sharon Osbourne, in an emotional interview with her son, disclosed that Ozzy's condition had advanced to the point where he could no longer walk independently. For those who have witnessed Ozzy Osbourne perform, the image of the legendary Prince of Darkness, once a seemingly invincible rock icon, electrifying audiences with his energetic dance moves, now struggling with basic movements, feels almost inconceivable. However, anyone familiar with Parkinson's disease understands its unforgiving nature. This progressive condition disrupts mobility, balance, and muscle control, turning everyday tasks into unpredictable challenges. Sharon revealed that while the family had had hope to combat the degenerative effects with cutting-edge treatments, the reality proved far more devastating than they had imagined. Each day brings a new battle, not only for Ozzy but also for his loved ones, as they witness the gradual decline of a man who once dominated the rock world, now losing command over his own body. When the diagnosis was first made, they tried to remain optimistic, thinking life might change slightly but that they could adapt and move forward as before. Sharon even assured fans that the diagnosis was not a death sentence. Yet, in hindsight, she acknowledges that they underestimated the true impact of the disease. Parkinson's impacts not only the physical body but also the mental state, gradually wearing down the hope and optimism the family had worked hard to preserve. Sharon, who had been both a wife and manager by Ozzy's side for many years, transitioned into the role of his full-time caregiver, witnessing every moment of his battle against his own body. Each day brought unpredictable challenges, watching Ozzy struggle with even the simplest actions, such as rising from a chair or attempting a few steps. While Sharon devoted herself to ensuring he received the best care possible, the heavy reality took its toll not just on Ozzy but on the entire Osbourne family. Their children, who had grown up amidst the glitz and glamour of fame, now faced the sobering truth that their once unstoppable father was gradually losing his strength. Sharon, who had always been the glue holding together her husband's career and their household, was now confronted with the heartbreaking possibility of having to say goodbye forever. Yet, until that day comes, she remains steadfast, standing by Ozzy's side, fighting alongside him, clinging to hope for miracles, and doing everything in her power to ensure he spends his remaining days surrounded by family, love, and the music that defined his life. After years of uncertainty surrounding his health, Sharon has officially confirmed what fans feared. Ozzy Osbourne is preparing to say a final goodbye to the stage. For a rock and roll icon like Ozzy, this decision is not only deeply personal but also marks a poignant turning point in the history of music. On July 5th, 2025, Ozzy will host a special Back to the Beginning concert in his hometown of Birmingham, the city where his journey first started. This remarkable event will reunite him with the original members of Black Sabbath, including Tony Iommi, Geezer Butler, and Bill Ward, marking their first time performing together in 2 decades. More than just a concert, this night serves as a heartfelt farewell and a tribute to the loyal fans who have supported him throughout his career. Birmingham holds a special significance, not only as Ozzy's birthplace but also as the birthplace of Black Sabbath and heavy metal itself. After years of challenges, including health struggles, Ozzy will take to the stage one last time in this meaningful setting. In recent years, his disease has led to the cancellation of numerous tours, leaving fans concerned. Since 2019, his family has kept details of his health private to allow him time to adjust. Currently, Ozzy is determined to make this last performance unforgettable, a profound gesture of gratitude to those who have stood by him. Back to the Beginning is more than a concert. It's a historic moment marking the conclusion of an extraordinary career. While Ozzy will officially bid farewell to the stage after this night, his legacy and impact on rock music will remain alive in the hearts of fans forever. In 2020, Ozzy Osbourne and his wife, Sharon Osbourne, shared an emotional announcement on Good Morning America, confirming what many fans had suspected for some time. Observers had previously noted unusual signs during Ozzy's performances and public appearances: a staggering walk, visible fatigue, and occasional loss of control on stage. While some attributed these signs to aging, others suspected a more serious underlying health issue. It was revealed that Ozzy has Parkinson's disease, a progressive neurological disorder that impacts the motor system. Over time, even basic movements like walking and maintaining balance become incredibly challenging and painful. Sharon explained that the disease affects different parts of the body unpredictably, and for Ozzy, his legs have been particularly impacted. Although he experienced occasional good days, those moments became increasingly rare as the years passed.
I've been in such a bad health-wise. Plus I got Parkinson's diagnosis.
Right, yeah.
But, it takes a lot to hold me down.
Ozzy Osbourne's battle with Parkinson's wasn't his only health setback. In 2019, he experienced a severe fall at home, which worsened old injuries from a 2003 ATV accident. During that earlier incident, Ozzy had suffered multiple fractures and required metal rods and pins to be inserted into his spine and neck for stabilization. Unfortunately, the 2019 fall caused those rods to shift, leading to intense pain and necessitating intricate surgery to repair the damage. The aftermath was devastating. His recovery was prolonged, and he endured constant pain. The combination of Parkinson's disease and spinal cord injuries had a profound impact on his mobility, turning occasional difficulties walking into nearly insurmountable obstacles. Despite his determination to persevere through physical therapy and rehabilitation, his wife Sharon, known for her optimistic and steadfast demeanor, worked to reassure fans during this challenging time. Yet even she had to acknowledge that Ozzy's body could no longer support the high-energy performances he had once delivered so effortlessly. While fans were deeply saddened by Ozzy's health struggles, his life remains a testament to resilience and an extraordinary journey. From his tumultuous childhood to his legendary career, Ozzy's story is one of overcoming adversity to achieve the peak of rock music. Ozzy Osbourne, born John Michael Osbourne on December 3, 1948, in Aston, Birmingham, grew up in a working-class family. His parents, Lillian and John Thomas Osbourne, worked hard to provide for their 6 children. Lillian was employed in a factory, while John, known as Jack, worked nights as a toolmaker for General Electric. The fourth of 6 siblings, Ozzy had 3 older sisters, Jean, Iris, and Gillian, and 2 younger brothers, Paul and Tony. Raised in a small, overcrowded home, he often felt out of place. His struggles with dyslexia made his school years particularly challenging. Ozzy's childhood was shaped not only by poverty but also by emotional hardship. At the age of 11, he became a victim of school violence, experiences that left lasting scars. As a teenager, he faced severe depression and made several suicide attempts. The difficulties within his family life only added to his struggles. While his mother had a love for singing, his father battled alcoholism, and domestic violence was a frequent occurrence. Ozzy has described his upbringing as one of poverty and violence, recalling harrowing moments such as witnessing his father physically abusing his mother. These traumatic events deeply influenced him, fostering rebellious and aggressive tendencies from an early age. At 7, Ozzy and his friends created a disturbing game called Hanging Squad, where they would tie up their peers in school bathrooms. He often engaged in violent street fights, using whatever objects were available: trash can lids, fireplace pokers, or even meat cleavers. In one alarming incident, Ozzy attempted to drown another boy, later reflecting, "Where I grew up was kill or be killed." By the time he was 14, Ozzy continued to grapple with severe mental health issues. In a desperate moment, he tried to take his own life by hanging himself from his mother's clothesline. His father discovered him in time and intervened, but instead of offering comfort, he subjected Ozzy to a harsh beating. Alongside his mental struggles, Ozzy also turned to crime, frequently shoplifting records to fuel his passion for music. However, his life took a pivotal turn in 1963 when he heard the Beatles' song "She Loves You." That experience solidified his belief that he was destined to become a rock star. Ozzy's journey to fame was far from easy. At the age of 15, he left school and took on various manual labor jobs, including working as a construction worker, plumber, mechanic, and slaughterhouse employee. His time at the slaughterhouse, where he slaughtered up to 250 cattle daily, deepened his interest in dark themes, an aspect that would later define his distinctive performance style. However, his involvement in criminal activities led to serious consequences. At 17, Ozzy was arrested for breaking into a clothing store. Unable to pay the fine and with his father refusing to assist, he was sentenced to 6 weeks in Winston Green Prison. During his incarceration, he defended himself against an attack by another inmate, retaliating with a metal chamber pot. After his release, Ozzy recognized the need to change the course of his life. Although he struggled academically, Ozzy had a passion for performing. He participated in school plays like The Mikado and HMSPINAFORE, but it was rock music that truly captivated him. In the documentary God Bless Ozzy Osbourne, he revealed that hearing the Beatles inspired him to dedicate his life to rock music. This love for music became his driving force, transforming his life of adversity into one that saw him rise as one of rock's most iconic legends. Despite the challenges of Ozzy Osbourne's early years, music became his refuge, a way to transform himself. He embarked on a path that not only altered his life, but also reshaped the heavy metal genre. Rising from a troubled childhood, he emerged as one of the most iconic figures in rock history, leaving a lasting legacy in the world of music. Ozzy Osbourne's impact on heavy metal is immense. As the lead vocalist of the legendary Black Sabbath, he helped forge a groundbreaking style of music: dark, atmospheric sounds with heavy guitar riffs and raw, evocative themes that mesmerized audiences globally. From the chilling opening notes of Black Sabbath's debut in 1970 to the electrifying vocals and unforgettable energy of Paranoid, Ozzy elevated rock music while defining the essence of heavy metal. When Ozzy parted ways with Black Sabbath in 1979, many fans worried his career might falter. Instead, his solo journey became a triumphant new chapter. Albums like Blizzard of Oz 1980 and Diary of a Madman 1981 not only cemented his status, but also delivered timeless tracks such as Crazy Train and Mr. Crowley. These songs showcased Ozzy as more than just the voice of Black Sabbath. They proved him to be a creative force whose influence stretched far beyond his former band. Ozzy's impact reached far beyond his own music, profoundly influencing the next generation of artists. Bands like Metallica, Slipknot, and numerous other iconic rock and metal groups have cited Ozzy as a major source of inspiration. Additionally, he played a pivotal role in popularizing heavy metal, not just through his timeless albums, but also via the Ozfest Festival, which became a launching platform for emerging metal bands. Spanning over 5 decades, his career has not only sustained his prominence, but also contributed to keeping heavy metal relevant in mainstream culture. What sets Ozzy Osbourne apart is not just his musical prowess, but his ability to forge a genuine connection with his fans. Even under the glare of stage lights, he maintains an authenticity and intimacy that resonates deeply with his audience. Despite his legendary status, Ozzy embodies the spirit of a true music enthusiast, consistently showing respect and understanding for his listeners and fans. His performances are always packed with excitement and boldness, from the infamous bat-biting incident to impromptu moments on stage. He delivers unpredictable experiences that leave a lasting impression, creating a legacy no one can replicate. Ozzy's music held a unique ability to resonate deeply with his audience, the misfits, the rebels, and those wrestling with their own inner struggles. His concerts transcended mere performances, becoming sanctuaries for kindred spirits to connect, find understanding, and draw strength to persevere in life. Few can rise above a troubled past to achieve global stardom, but Ozzy Osbourne did just that. His legacy, etched into the hearts of music enthusiasts, will endure regardless of the passage of time. When news of Ozzy Osbourne's final show surfaced, fans worldwide were swept by a wave of mixed emotions, sorrow, and gratitude. Social media became a platform for heartfelt tributes, with many reflecting on the profound impact his music had on their lives. Devoted followers began planning trips to Birmingham, eager to witness this historic event and bid farewell to an era. Others reminisced about the electrifying experience of seeing Ozzy perform live, recalling the inspiration and exhilaration his shows brought. Even those who never met him personally felt the weight and significance of this momentous goodbye. Although Ozzy's health is waning, he has remained candid about his condition. During a recent interview on SiriusXM's Ozzy Speaks, he openly discussed the challenges he faces. While acknowledging the difficulties of his struggle, he also expressed pride in having overcome obstacles that many might not endure. He said, "I'm in 2025, I can't walk, but even though I complain a lot, I'm still alive." Ozzy likened the sensation in his legs to feeling as though they were weighed down by bricks whenever he tried to move. Yet, through it all, he maintained his trademark humor and unyielding spirit. His wife, Sharon, often reminded him that while his body may have weakened, his spirit remained resilient and undefeated. As Ozzy prepared for his final performance, he recognized it as a meaningful opportunity to show gratitude to the fans who had supported him throughout his journey. Sharon, who has stood by his side throughout his career, will continue playing a vital role in safeguarding and celebrating Ozzy's musical legacy. As his most devoted advocate, she has played a vital role in ensuring his name remains etched in music history through documentaries, tribute albums, and special events honoring his illustrious career. Ozzy Osbourne may be stepping away from the stage, but his music and legacy will endure endlessly. His impact will continue to inspire countless artists and music enthusiasts for generations to come. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. If you found it interesting and want to keep exploring more incredible stories related to celebrities, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, All Profiles, and turn on notifications. Take care and see you soon.